In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the interactive countdown from my shop. Once downloaded, keep all files in the same folder and open index.adtl to test it. Let's change the starting time. Open config.js with Notepad or any text editor, find start minutes, and set the time you want. I'll use 15 minutes. Save the file and refresh the browser to see the changes. In the same file, you can also change the theme. Look for theme lilac and replace it with any of these options: gray gold, gray silver, gray violet, lilac, or violet. Remember to save to apply the changes. By default, the control buttons are hidden. If you want to show them, open style.css with Notepad, find the Botonera Unificata section, and change opacity from 0 to 1. Save the file to see the update. The buttons will automatically match the selected theme. I'll hide them again and move on to the shortcuts. The preset shortcuts are S to start or pause, R to reset, plus to add 1 minute, and to remove 1 minute. You can customize these keys inside config.js. Now let's see how to use it in OBS. Open OBS and add a browser source. Enable local file, select index.adtl, and set the size to 1920 pixels wide by 1080 pixels high. Once it's added, refresh the source and click Interact to test it. Press the S key and you'll see the timer start running. Now let's try it with a background. I'm adding a media source, in this case a video, setting it to loop, and placing it below the countdown. If you want to change the size of the countdown, just select it and resize or move it wherever you want. Honestly, this scene looks really nice. Now let's do the same in Streamlabs, which works pretty much the same way. Add a browser source. Enable local file, select index.adtl, and set it to 1920 by 1080. I'm adding a background to see how it looks and adjusting the layers so the background stays behind the countdown. Here I switched the theme to gold because I think it works better with this scene. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, you can message me on Discord, and if you'd like, you can also show me how you're using the timer. Seeing that always gives me new ideas for future